We're mourning the tragedy of the death of the grandson of the Prophet and what the whole family went through. These were like the granddaughters, and they were the daughters of the Prophet, and we're just commemorating what they went through and what happened to them. We did a couple of different things today. In the morning we were mourning what was going to happen and what the women were feeling like, knowing that they're going to lose all the support they had, all men that were in their lives by noon time. And in the noon we were mourning that we lost so many great people at once in such cruel situations and with such cruelty, you know. And in the night we were sort of trying to remember, trying to sort of put ourselves in the place of the women that were in that situation, you know. Their tents burnt and they had no choice but to go through so many bad situations, so many horrible things happening to them. They were so scared and they had no one to turn to. Everywhere they turned, it was just enemy, enemy, enemy. They had nothing to do. They were just so scared. That's what we were trying to put ourselves through and trying to see what they went through. Of course, this will remind us what these people stood for. This will remind us what our religion has actually sacrificed, what the greatest people in our religion actually sacrificed for us to be knowing about God, to be knowing about our Prophet, to be knowing about our 12 Imams, and what was actually their mission, what was their aim. It was just to tell people that the final objective of life is God. Everything is for God.